Hey everyone, welcome back. It's so good to see you here. I hope you all are enjoying this holy month. So, this is the last part of Christmas series in which we're gonna paint glass jars. You can paint these jars very easily and can use them on Christmas for home decor or gifting purpose. So, let's begin. To paint the first jar, I am using glass colors. And in the first step, just outline the pattern with golden glass liner. Here I am making holy pattern. You can make any easy pattern according to you. And when you are done with this, please leave it for 24 hours. Now in the second step, fill the glass colors. I am using red and green to fill the whole pattern. Here I am adding more color to the leaves as I want darker leaves. And after this, apply Fevicol on the upper part of the jar and paste jute string like this. And it's done. Now let's move on to the second jar. So to paint the second jar, firstly I am applying gesso to protect my colors from peeling off. Now in the second step, take a sponge and apply your base color like this. when your base color is dried completely, make a little car with Christmas tree. Here I am not painting the car because I want it glittery. You can take an old brush to apply the fevicol and now just sprinkle the glitter on all over the car. And after this, make a Christmas tree with the help of acrylic colors. Now in the last step, make snowflakes with white acrylic paint on all over the jar. And here is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then do give a thumbs up. So wishing you peace, love and joy this Christmas and a very happy new year. I'll be back soon with some other video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye.